Samsung has officially unveiled the Galaxy S25 Edge, marking the return of the Edge branding last seen with the Galaxy S7 Edge. This new model stands out for its exceptionally slim design, measuring just 6.4 mm in thickness, making it one of the thinnest smartphones available. The Galaxy S25 Edge features a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, it is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM, delivering robust performance for multitasking and demanding applications. The device offers multiple storage options, including 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB variants, catering to different user needs. In terms of photography, the S25 Edge boasts a dual camera setup on the rear, comprising a 200-megapixel wide sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, enabling high-resolution images and versatile shooting capabilities. The front houses a 10-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. Despite its slim profile, the smartphone is equipped with a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25W wired charging, ensuring adequate battery life and quick recharging. The Galaxy S25 Edge runs on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 overlay, providing a user-friendly interface and enhanced customization options. Samsung has announced that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be available in select markets starting in April 2025, with availability varying by region.